So I am a picker and I've gone out to the warehouse and picked this particular customer's order. Their products are in the tote bin here, and what we now need to do is take them to this dispatch packing area. So we've brought it over. We're going to scan the products into the packing area from the tote bin, and as we go, the WMS system is going to tick off each product as it's scanned. So I'm going to start the process by scanning the customer's order. It's now looked up their particular order in the WMS, and as I bring the products into the scanning area over the bench, it's ticking off those products as we go. So I'm looking at the green spot on the table to know that it's a good read, and once that particular order is finished, a label is automatically printed containing a delivery note and a dispatch label that will go on the box itself.